slow-bake apple pie. Ingredients. For the crust, you will need dates, almonds or cashew nuts, and either monk fruit sugar for a sugar-free version or jaggery or regular sugar. For the filling, you will need apples, dates or figs, a pinch of cinnamon, crushed nuts, and a few drops of lemon juice. How to make the crust. Grind together the dates and nuts. Add monk fruit sugar for a sugar-free option or use jaggery or regular sugar for sweetness. Once everything is blended well, press and shape the mixture into a pie crust and place it in a greased pan or pie tray. How to make the filling. Grind apples along with dates or figs until smooth. To the grinded mixture, add a few spoons of finely shredded apples, crushed nuts, a pinch of cinnamon, and a few drops of lemon juice for flavor. Pour this mixture into the pie crust and refrigerate for about an hour before serving. Tips. If the dates are too firm to grind, soak them overnight or warm them in a microwave with a little water to soften. It also helps to powder the almonds first before adding the dates. You can make a mini version by using fewer ingredients.